Playtime songs.
Wake up, stretch your paws, rub your eyes, no need to pause. Brush your teeth and comb your hair, little bear flies through morning air.
Pack your lunch and books today, zipper zip and fly away.
Shoes are tied, your bag is tight, little bear is taking flight.
Little bear is taking flight.
March to school, step left and right, wave hello in morning light. Hold your hands and don't be shy, little bear zooms through the sky.
Little bear zooms through the sky.
Sit down, listen, learn some more.
Count and read and then explore.
Pencils dance and crayons fly.
Little bear gives learning a try.
Little bear gives learning a try.
Time to play and laugh around. Jump in high, then touch the ground. Run and spin and say oh my. Little bear does loop-de-fly.
Little bear does loop-de-fly. Ring the bell, it's time to go. Wave goodbye to friends you know. March back home with happy sigh.
Little bear waves from the sky.
Little bear waves from the sky.
School day done, we learned and played, flying high and unafraid. We'll return with books and cheer. Little bear says see you next year.
Little bear says see you next year.